In this video, I'm going to show you how I save 40% on my home's energy bills and how you can too. In the summers, especially here in Texas, when it was hot, our home was an oven, especially when you've got a bunch of windows on the back of your house and that's where it's setting or rising. It's really going to heat up the entire space. As soon as we got it filmed, it felt like our whole living room was transformed. Considerably cooler, very comfortable to sit in there. We didn't have to have the blinds down all the time, and it even reduced the glare on our TV. The big thing is, one, replacing your windows is incredibly expensive. We wanted to have a really good view of our backyard, still be able to see the kids, see if we're entertaining, see what's going on out there, where the solar screens really would have minimized that. Window film was a great option. So now that I've gone over how this has helped my home, let me show you our step-by-step process. Step one is going to be make sure your window is completely clean. If there's anything on there, you're going to have a giant problem and you're going to see every little thing, even a dog hair. He's taking a walnut pad, scrubbing everything down really well, making sure that there's absolutely no debris, anything on there, with a window cleaning solution. And then he'll be going ahead and squeegeeing it off to have a completely clean surface to install. Once you have your film cut to the proper dimensions, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the back piece of the film that's actually protecting the side that you're going to install and apply to the actual window. So this is a Fusion 28 film, which means it allows 28% of visual light to come through and also provides a little bit of privacy from the outside so people can't see in nearly as easily. Right now they're peeling off that liner that I talked about. For larger windows, it's recommended to have 2 people, but as you become a more experienced installer, you can do it on your own. Now they're gonna apply our install solution. What we use, it's called Tint-On, and you mix it with water, put it into a pump sprayer or a canister that allows you to apply it, and that helps to allow the film itself to adhere to the glass. Now he's just setting it in place to get it to where he can tack it down and make sure that it's not going to go anywhere. You want to use that same solution on the outside of it so you can use your squeegee without ripping or tearing the film itself. Right there, he's tacking it down up to about an inch away from the edge, maybe a little more, just to make sure that once you're installing and you're really getting these edges cleaned up, that it's not going to move or go anywhere. You have to be certified to install a lot of these films to make sure that your warranty is actually covered and that you're not going to be installing the improper film on certain windows. Like these are dual pane windows. If you install too dark of a tint or one that doesn't work well on dual pane, you can actually break your seal on your window, which is going to be way more expensive than the tint itself. Now he's cutting it to fit the actual size of the window. Right now he's pushing the last of the water and the solution that we applied initially up out of the seams and making sure that everything is really tacked down to the glass so that it can cure over the next few weeks. This is the final step to the install process. You're gonna go ahead and make sure that you've got your card and your paper towel and really push out any of that last of that water to make sure you have a good seal so it's not peeling off as it cures. If you still need more help, DM the word appointment to schedule a free consult and we'll show you exactly what film fits your needs and budget.